Security is still the most fundamental skill in tech. I was tired after work and I tried to install Claude Code on my new Mac. I searched Google for download Claude Code on Mac, blah blah. First leak, one of the first results looked legitimate, and even it's leading to Claude AI, right? But then this is what happens. It's definitely a macOS stealer. First red flag, curl contains -k, it really tells, ignore certificates. The second red flag, obfuscated bash code. Why the heck would you hide any code from me, right? What I did, I removed the bash pipe or that shell pipe. I evaluated the code. And what I get, in addition to things that were already calling a red flag for me, I got things like what this code does, right? Local domain, robertjonesreality.com, some random website, nothing to do with Claude Code. Then local file, TMP, OSA logging. Dropping it into ChatGPT gives me, yeah, it's definitely macOS malware, info stealer code. Why it's dangerous, downloads remote code, executes it immediately, uploads some zip file. So this random third-party website was compromised, and ignoring certificates was already a first red flag. What do you know? Really, security remains one biggest all or nothing in IT, even in AI time. So executing one command is enough. Thank you.